Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset OPPO Find X9 Pro. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it, and I'll show you both of them. The first and the recommended method to perform a reset is by using the settings, so let's open them up. Now we need to scroll down all the way until we find System and Update. Now find Backup and Reset, simply tap on that, and now on the bottom we have Reset Phone function. We need to tap on that. And in here, of course, we are interested in the last function, erase all data, but in here we can also reset network and Bluetooth settings, and also reset all settings. Now, all you need to do to reset your device is to click on erase all data. Remember that all of your data will be erased. That's how this function works. And now, we can erase data but retain eSIM profiles, or we can simply click on clear all data. If you click on that, your device will be turned off. After a few seconds, it will be automatically turned on, and the next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. That's the first method. We also have the reset using the recovery mode. But you need to remember about one thing, that if you are resetting your device using the recovery mode, there is a chance that during the setup process, your phone will want you to type your screen lock that you had before the reset, or it will want you to log into the Google account, into also which you were logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that you are actually a user of this device. To perform a reset using the recovery mode, we need to power off our device first, so let's click power button and volume up button, and now select power off. Now, to launch the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume down button at the same time until it launches. So simply keep holding. It is going to take a few seconds, so simply be patient and keep holding. Just like that. And now, to move around this menu, we use the volume keys, but the touchscreen still works, so if you want, you can simply tap on the screen. Now we need to select Format Data. Now type this code using your keyboard. And now click on Format. Okay, the process has started, so let's wait. Data formatted, click on OK, and now the phone will automatically turn on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.